is that? Hey, come in. Hello, Namunyu. How are you doing? Welcome.
I'm doing good.
Welcome to visit.
I'm coming good.
Feel at home. You're okay. I can see you're a grown-up man right now.
Yes.
Yes? Just feel at home.
I'm feeling. My mom is good. My mom is good.
My mom is doing good.
My mom is really good. You are staying good. Do you have special things? I'm feeling home. I'm feeling home.
Namunyu, I told you to feel at home, not to feel everywhere. Yes? I just told you feel at home, not to feel everywhere. You just walk through. You just switch on the radio. You are on my bed with shoes. You are already eating banana without permission, licking yogurt without even washing your hands. What type of manner is this?
I'm Namunyu.
You are Namunyu. So because you are Namunyu, you're supposed to do all these nasty things for me? I don't think I'm going to put up with your behavior. Please, just take your bag, go back to your mother. I cannot handle this. Within 5 minutes, you have already destroyed around 5 things. You have already moved from this place to this place to that place. Right now, you are leaking. Your hands are dirty. You just arrived. Even if you haven't washed your hands, you are leaking a yogurt. Like I was the one drinking it. Even I'm talking and you are still. My friend, go back to your mother. Go back to your mother. I don't think I'm going to put up with this type of manner. Now when you get out of my house.